This video will show a possible solution to solving pooling water on your screen room or lanai. I'm going to make a little drain so water drains off the lanai. Here's a close-up of the metal bar we're going to use. You can buy this bar at Lowe's or Home Depot. The important part is that it's the thickness of about a nickel. First step is we're going to loosen our bolts holding the bottom frame down, just a couple turns. We're going to do 2 on the end here. We have our 2 bolts prepped, just slightly loosened. If there's caulking in the corners, go ahead and score the caulking. We're going to use a screwdriver on both sides to gently lift up the frame. We slid our bar under, and now we're marking it with a marker so we know where to cut. Now we're cutting on our line, on our mark. Go ahead and cut as many pieces as you're going to need. We've slid our piece in. We have it sticking out. It's pretty much flush on both sides. We've slid it all the way to the wall. We're going to put another one right about here. We're doing 4 edges, so we're going to need 8 pieces. We have our second bar in place right next to the screw. Now we're going to tighten both down. We're not going to tighten them very tight, just hand tight so there's enough pressure so those bars won't blow away or get loose. Take a flat piece of material and clean out the trench in between the 2 metal pieces that you inserted. Now you see water goes right through. There's our finished product. We're going to recaulk our corner over there. So we have 2 aluminum pieces elevating our bar to allow water to go through. You're going to have to pour water on your lanai or take a look at it after it rains to see where you need to take care of your problem. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.